Hello and welcome to today's daily message. On this Tuesday of the second week of Lent, we are offered readings and reflections from Creighton University that speak to us about the importance of having integrity as Christian men and women. What I mean is that what we proclaim in prayer, what we proclaim in our liturgy, uh, the qualities of peace and justice and forgiveness and mercy. These are the things that we should be acting out. These are the things that we should be doing in our daily lives. And so the quality of our worship and the quality of our prayer can be measured by the quality of our actions. Thank you once again for taking part in today's daily message.